Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to extract complex data from PDF using Python and convert it directly to JSON format. Actually, one of my subscriber in my live stream have asked me to extract complex table data from PDF using Python, so I thought of making a video on this. And in this we will be using a tool called Camelot, and I will show you how it works on this sample PDF that was created by my team. Let me show you the PDF again. Yeah, this one. And it is having some realistic table layout which you might see in reports. So reports kind of like if you are working in corporate sector or if you are working for a client, so your client might give you this kind of report in a PDF format, not in Excel or in some other format. You can see it's a PDF format, simple. So as you can see, the table we will be working on, it is containing some employee data. So what is available here? Things like name, department, joining date, salary, remarks, and these are organized in a structured table format. You can see that, simple, and it looks simple visually, but in this PDF it's not easy to extract properly, especially if you are using basic tools. So we will be using Python with library called Camelot. I am running this in Anaconda with Jupyter Notebook, but you can also use VS Code or PyCharm. I am using a MacBook, so I will be going on with the MacBook steps and all. If you want in Windows format, so you can comment me in this video or you can mail me in my mail ID. I will be working on this video in a Windows laptop so that it will be easy for both viewers, like who are using MacBook and who are also using Windows laptop. So if you want, you can say me, I will make a video on this. So as I was saying, we are going to use Python with library called Camelot, and I am running this in Anaconda with Jupyter Notebook. And as I have told you, like VS Code, PyCharm, anything you can use it. So first thing first, you will open up terminal. How to open it? Simple, you will write terminal here, click it here, and it will get opened. Simple as that. So we will set up the environment, and for setting up the environment we have to write some queries kind of thing. So type on with me and go with me so that me and you are on the same track in this video. And you can pause the video and also work, no need to worry. And if something goes out of the track or if it shows error, you can pause the video and start from the starting, no need to worry about. So first thing you will write pip install Camelot pycv. How to write it? Use the commas properly, because if you don't use the commas properly it might give you error. So check it. And py, then square bracket, use the square bracket, cv, and this Camelot dash py, then square bracket open, cv, square bracket close, enter. That's it. Now second thing, Camelot needs ghost script and kinter, I think TKINT or something like that we say it. I don't remember it actually. We actually right now in this today's scenario, very less people provide PDF kind of format for this table. So we were using ghost script earlier when I was working like 3 years ago in my company. That time I have used, but anyways, let's install ghost script first so that it do not create any error in near future. So brew install ghost script, ghost then script, and click enter. It will download something. Is already okay, it's already installed. Okay, it is showing that it is already installed and up to date, so no need to reinstall, because I am using this laptop from a long time, so it was already installed in mine. But no need to worry, if you write this brew install go script, it will install all the datas and documents, so no need to worry about. Once it is installed, uh, you have to just open up Jupyter Notebook, enter, and Jupyter Notebook script will open like this. Wait a minute, close all this, and I have already made a file, by the way. Where it is? Yeah, actually I have already made a file on it, so no need to worry. You can make a file, or you can follow up my step. I have made a file so that it is easy for me to teach you how to extract table, means PDF to JSON. And now, as we have created the environment, let's now extract the table from our PDF using Camelot in lattice mode, which is best for bordered table. So first what you will do, you will import Camelot. First thing, you have to import Camelot, right? That's it. Yeah, it's imported. See, star mark was there, now one is showing. Now you have to find where you have like kept your table. I mean, I have kept my table in downloads, so I will write the path here and then it will work out. So we will write tables. Actually you have to, extract the table into this JSON format in Anaconda Jupyter. So that's why I'm saying you have to write the path and follow the steps as it's important. Read PDF, and it's easy, so nothing rocket science kind of thing. It's easy. In 1 or 2 practice you will be very easily able to extract it. You can just copy paste the path name. If you know it, then you can copy paste it, or you can directly go to the path name here, go to info and copy paste it. I am showing you step by step because it's my duty to show you step by step, so I am not taking any shortcuts right now. And downloads, because it's in my downloads path, that's why. Then the file name complex table sample, and you have to write everything .pdf, everything you have to write. Simple, like the path name I'm saying, everything you have to write. So you should not miss anything, because if you miss something it will show error. That's why. Pages you have to write like this. One, right, and then flavor. As I have told you in earlier, we will use lattice, that's why. Flavor equal to, we will use lattice. I think you are with me till here, and if you face any issue, you can just start from the starting, no need to worry about. See, it ran properly, or if it does not ran properly now, it will show an error here. That's why, as you can see here, star was showing, then as it ran properly it is showing 2, and it's good to go for the next step. So as we have, see what is this actually, let me write this, it will be easier for you to understand. We have loaded the PDF and extracted the tables. So load the PDF and extract the tables, or extract tables, not that's okay. Extract tables. Now what we will do, we will check how many tables were detected. So we will write print tables. Oh shit, Let this wait, let me write the command also so that it will be easier for you to understand. Check how many tables were detected or were extracted. So we have written print tables. Why? Because we have given the table's name here. So yes, it is showing table list n equal to 1. So it's easy, no need to worry about, everything is going fine. Third step, we have to export the first table to JSON. So first of all, I'll write the command here so that it is easy here for you to understand. Export the first table to JSON. So process is also easy, just write table square bracket 0. Follow follow with me, it's not that tough, it's easy. Don't go by the queries length and all, it's not that tough. Let me tell you one thing, it's not that tough. And this is the extended part, means export the first table to JSON. What I'm showing, this is the extended part. So we have already completed our video here only, like exporting the loading the PDF and exporting the tables. So it's done already. See, no error is showing right now, so it's easy to go, no need to worry about. And if you want to see this PDF in Anaconda, this one, you can also do it very easily. How you can do it? You can write just simple print tables. Sorry, I have written P, it's dot data frame, print tables, then 0 square bracket and this data frame, and see, we have shown the table here as it is same in the PDF. What we have done in PDF, same table is also present here. So we have viewed the table as a data frame, df for data frame, and see, all the data that are present in this are also present here. So it's easy and good to go. And let me tell you, this is not that tough. And as you can see, Camelot found one table, it is in front of you, and we saved it directly to output.json. Now this file is ready to be used in APIs, data pipelines, or front-end dashboards, right? So if you are using this, means extracting PDF to JSON, I think it's the best way to do it. And I will give you some tips, like some mistakes what I have did in my previous work. Like if Camelot does not detect any tables, try adjusting DPI or switching from lattice to stream, right? Always check if your PDF is scanned. Camelot won't work on scanned images. In this case, use OCR tools like PyMuPDF, something like that, PYMU, like this something was there, if I don't remember. Like OCR tools we used to use, not much, but we used to use sometime. So that's how you extract complex table data from PDF using Python and Camelot and output it as JSON. Let me know in comment section if you want a part 2 where we handle scanned PDF using OCR plus AI. And like this video if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more practical Python project and data tutorials. So please subscribe to my channel and wait for my next video. So bye bye. take care and happy coding. And if you have any doubt, please let me tell you one thing, my comment section is open. Write in comment section, I will clear it out, so no need to worry about. So bye bye, take care, and let's meet in next video.